Should you buy now and refinance later? You've probably heard this advice before. Just buy now. You can always refinance later. It sounds simple, almost too simple. But is that actually a smart strategy or just something people say to make high interest rates feel easier? My name is Bryan Marota. I'm a real estate agent here in California. And in this video, I'm going to break down when buying now and refinancing later makes sense and when it absolutely does not. 1. Why people say this. When rates are higher, buyers feel stuck. So the idea of refinancing later feels like a way out. And technically, it's true you can refinance your interest rate in the future. But here's what most buyers don't understand. You cannot refinance your purchase price. That's permanent. And what this strategy is really about. This strategy isn't about hoping rates drop. It's about using today's market conditions to your advantage. When rates are higher, fewer buyers are competing, homes sit longer, sellers offer credits and concessions, buyers gain negotiation power. You're trading a higher rate for a better purchase opportunity. 1. When this strategy makes sense. Buying now and refinancing later can be smart if you're buying within your budget, you plan to stay in the home for several years, you're negotiating a good price or credits, you're financially stable, you understand refinancing is a possibility, not a guarantee. In this case, the math often works in your favor. NW, when this strategy does not make sense. It does not make sense if you're stretching your finances thin, you're banking on rates dropping quickly, you plan to move in a year or two, you're overpaying just to get in, you don't have savings after closing. Refinancing only helps if you can afford the home comfortably first. Métis F. What buyers get wrong? Many buyers hear refinance later and think it solves everything. It doesn't. It only works if you bought smart, you negotiated well, you stayed within budget, and you're prepared to hold the home. The refinance is the bonus, not the plan. Mart 8. The real question buyers should ask, instead of asking, will rates drop? Ask, am I getting a good deal today? Because that's what you control. Final thought, buying now and refinancing later can be a very smart strategy, but only when it's done intentionally, not emotionally. You're not timing rates, you're timing opportunity. If you're unsure whether this strategy makes sense for your situation, I'm happy to help you run real numbers and make a clear plan. You can call or text me at 562-4848-138 or message me on Instagram at Bryan Marota. Clarity beats guessing every time.